This program is an 8-week program. In this 8 weeks, every week we work out 5 days a week and we take rest for 2 days. Now, in these 5 days, we work out 4 days with a chest and tricep split. Second day is going to be for back and bicep, basically a pull day, a push day followed by a pull day. Now, third day is going to be for your lower body, a leg day. Now, fourth day is going to be for your shoulders and calves. In this pattern, we're going to hit abs on the chest day, that is day 1, and the shoulder day, which is day 4. Now, day 5 is going to be something completely different, which is going to challenge you and not allow you to settle in that and plateau there in terms of weight, in terms of strength, and whatever parameters you measure your progress with. So day 5 is going to be called an hybrid day, where we have exercises like burpees, inchworms, basically 10 exercises back to back with minimal rest, so that you challenge yourself in a cardiovascular dimension also. So basically it's a completely 3-dimensional program where you build strength, endurance, and also at the same time work on your hypertrophy, that you will see in the coming weeks. Now, if I split the whole 8 weeks into 3 parts, phase 1 is going to be week 1 to 4, phase 2 is going to be week 5 and 6, and phase 3 is going to be week 7 and 8. Now, phase 1 to 4, we work out and we focus more on increasing our strength, increasing the lift capacity, increasing the work output, what we get into the gym, and repeat the same exercise. The main measure is going to be work output, and that translates to strength. Now, I want you guys to push maximum, get into, like, if the rep range is 12 to 15 reps, that 15th rep should be a completely challenging for each one of you. So that is something which we'll be focusing on every day, no matter what workout it is. We're going to challenge ourselves and try to get those reps and sets with a proper weight. Now, how do you choose your weight? You choose your weight by making sure that you get those number of reps. So if say the desired rep range says 10 to 12, now 8th rep onwards, the movement should be challenging for you. Do not pick a too heavy a weight which you can just do 6 reps for. The whole purpose is gone. So for example, if it's 10 to 12 reps, around that 8th rep mark is where you need to start feeling a bit of challenge. That is when you grow. You push yourself into an uncomfortable zone. That is the growth zone. So that being said, week 1 to 4, we focus on completely building strength and power. Week 5 and 6, we introduce concepts like drop setting and supersetting, which is another tool which is used in the whole program to make sure that you get the best out of the program. And the whole point of training smartly and effectively starts from week 5 and 6, because you have the fundamentals strong, because you've done your week 1 to 4. Week 5 to 6 is going to challenge you in a different dimension. Now, coming to the week 7 and 8, your hypertrophy is done, your strength is done. Week 7 and 8 challenges you combining both. Now, we use something called, another tool called giant setting, where we include 3 to 4 exercises in a loop and then repeat the loop with minimum rest between the exercises. So that is something which is going to challenge you even more. And so if you see from week 1 to week 8, you're going to completely be clueless as to how your body is going to perform. And that one thing is going to keep you guessing and keep your body guessing as to how I'm going to complete this workout. And that is where you make the maximum and get the maximum out of the program. Now, remember, even if you're doing heavier weights or lighter weights, whatever suits you, pick up that, but make sure that you get the proper form. Make sure that you get a proper breath pattern, which is explained in each and every video. Make sure that you hydrate yourself through the workout, because that is something which is non-negotiable. Make sure that you're sticking to your sleep patterns and your eating patterns, whatever diet plan you're following. Make sure that you eat quality food and nutrient dense food. Just don't go around calorie counting and get lost there. So I'm going to explain you more on the nutrition in a different segment, but then yeah, this is the complete overview of the program. Now, this is only for people who are taking charge of their life and wanting to transform in that 40 sessions. We just have 40 sessions to go from being this, what you are right now, to the best version of yourself. So just imagine how much work you need to put in. That's condensed and completely packed into a program for you guys. So I'm happy and I'm glad to be a part of you guys on this journey. So let's get it started. This is Sandeep Raj and this is my transformation plan.